Good morning. Happy Thursday and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. If you like these insights, I encourage you to sign up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or else check us out on toggle.global, where you can also sign up for our daily brief or test drive the first intelligent investment dashboard, which is Toggle Copilot. Today, the focus is going to be actually on a technical analysis indicator, the 50-day, 200-day MACD, which what really Toggle is highlighting is that the divergence between the faster moving and the slower moving average has reached a recent high. And historically, this has been quite a good event for the share price of Everest Group. In fact, the median rise over the subsequent 6 months was almost 9%. Toggle was examining about 10 similar occasions in the past when this has occurred, and it resulted in quite a high hit rate. As you can see here, the starting point is 232.74. As always, we have a point of diminished probability beyond 217.28. The odds of this paradigm still holding are quite a bit diminished. But the thing to really note is that the wide confidence interval here that suggests quite a large amount of convexity, which we'll check out in a second down in the risk management portion. But what this is effectively telling you that there's a non-negligible probability that you actually could see this target reach quite a bit sooner than 6 months hence. Looking through the chart, you can see these past episodes when we had this kind of divergence between the 50-day and the 200-day, and visually, just inspecting it visually, you can see a reasonable amount of price rise. Finally, going back to the stress testing part, this is the area that, again, I definitely always encourage you to take a look. You can see the dramatic skew in the distribution of returns to the upside, but also the kind of immense convexity that the return profile offers here, where the downside really is limited to sort of sub 10%, but the upside could be potentially in the 40s. So I definitely urge you to take a look at this, see how it fits with your own views, but it's an interesting highlight from Toggle that might at least get some of you to examine the prospects of this particular stock. So much for the Everest Group. In the daily brief today, we also discussed the meaningful changes in the earnings cycle for the banks and what that might be telling us about the economy, or more importantly, what it might be telling us about the banking sector. If you have the daily brief, please dig it out of your mailbox. If you don't, again, sign up on toggle.global. Otherwise, we'd love to have you as a subscriber on our YouTube channel for a steady diet of these insights. Thanks again for your attention, and we'll see you on Friday.